Welcome back, guys. Today I will show you how to unlock a Samsung tablet without a pattern or password. This is my Galaxy Tab S7 5G. First, I need to turn it off. We can do it by the power off menu if you forgot the pin code or pattern. Now we try a new method. Press and hold the power key and volume down for 6 to 10 seconds. Secondly, let's get into the recovery mode. Keep holding the power key and volume up until you see the menu. We need to perform a hard reset here. Press the volume down and we move to the wipe data option. Select it by the power button. Choose Factory Data Reset. When it's done, choose Reboot System Now. Thanks for watching. That's how to unlock your Samsung tablet when you forgot your pattern password. If you think it's helpful, please like and share.